Hey folks, it's Joe. Once again, another cool car. I'll bet you can guess where I am now. Well, it's certainly an airport. This is the Colorado Springs Airport, and this is a 2018 Carrera Coupe PDK. Another night blue metallic car. Funny how these things go in patterns with agate gray interior. Let me just give you a little tour. Some tasteful little upgrades on here. These are factory taillights, but the darker factory taillights. It's been changed to the black Porsche script on the back, which looks great on the night blue metallic. Factory, but different exhaust tips than factory. And look at, remember the other night blue metallic car that I did last week or the week before? It had upgraded brakes. Instead of Carrera S brakes, that was a 4S that had Turbo S brakes. Well, this is a Carrera that has Carrera S brakes. All new parts, not used parts, new parts put on. And they're beautiful. There's no lip. They're fantastic. What else? The black headlights were put on here instead of the factory. There's a protection grille in front of the added third radiator. And the only other exterior modification, this is a factory part. I can't remember what car it came from. Just that nice little tasteful lip. That is a factory part, came from the dealership. Painted by the dealer's paint shop. We mentioned that other car had a little paint work. This car has had the rear bumper cover sprayed. So it was a CPO'd car when the current owner purchased it. He found a little crack in the bottom of the bumper cover. So that was repaired again by Eurocar Collision. That's Porsche Colorado Springs collision facility. And that was done. Speaking of a little repair, literally, the owner didn't see this. I saw it when looking at the car. You don't see anything here, don't see anything, don't see anything here. Oh, wait, I see that. Rubbed on the driveway. So over here, that's covered by PPF up to about there. This is not. So we're happy to have that properly repaired, again, by Eurocars to make that go away, or take an appropriate amount off the price of the car if you want to live with that. Other than that, there isn't a door ding, a dent, or a scratch that I can show you on this car. The front is PPF'd up to here. It looks like the A-pillars are not covered, and the forward portion of the mirrors are covered. As I mentioned, Atlas gray interior, 14-way seats. I believe Bose stereo, yep. More interior upgrades. Just tasteful stuff. Night blue metallic trim here instead of, I think it was probably the aluminum trim, brand new, like that. So night blue metallic trim and trim on the center console. Just nice and tastefully done. As we mentioned, it's a PDK. It does have, it does have heated and ventilated seats. Look at the mileage. Oh, look at this. This was also the brushed aluminum. This is from a GTS, the black wheel. It has nothing to do with performance, but it just looks really nice with that darker center on the wheel. Mileage right now, 30,754. It has less than, I think, a couple 300 miles since the 30,000 mile service was done. As you know, that's the expensive service with the spark plugs. Already been done. Tires are Michelin's in great shape, 2022 date codes. This car's ready to go. Sunroof. Not anything else to report other than, man, what a car for the money. Now, this car has not been tuned. I'm not a big believer in tuning cars, but if you think about it, same 3-liter motor as an S. If you were to tune it to S horsepower, it already has S brakes. You're basically at an S, but you're paying Carrera prices. If you have any questions, if you'd like to see the build sheet, if you'd like to see the Carfax, anything else like that, just give me a call. This is Joe. My number is 720-382-6167. And as always, I thank you for watching.